Hi kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we'll learn how to draw a beautiful flower step by step.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker and draw a nice round circle in the middle of your paper. This will be the center of our flower. Next, we're going to draw 6 big petals all around the circle. 1, 2, 3. Keep going until you have 6 petals. See how they look like flower petals already? Draw a middle line on each petal to decorate them. That's it. Behind our flower, we'll draw 6 leaves. Start between each petal and draw a leaf sticking out. Keep going until you have 6 leaves around the flower. To make the leaves look real, draw a middle line in each one.
La da 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 dee.
That's perfect. Our flower is coming to life. Now, take your black marker and make all the lines bold and sharp. This will make our flower really pop out on the paper. Whoa! Look at our flower. It's so pretty. It looks like it's dancing in the breeze.
Yay!
It's coloring time. We'll use bright rainbow colors to make our flower even more beautiful. Let's start. Red color for the center.
Wow!
Orange color for the petals. Yellow for the highlights. Green for the leaves.
Yay!
Keep coloring and have fun naming the colors as you go. You did an amazing job, kids. Look at your colorful flower. It's absolutely stunning. Don't forget to show it to your family and friends. If you had fun today, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun art tutorials.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.